Are you having problem with warping components? Here is a quick solution for you. As you all know, warping comes from thermal stresses induced into the material as your 3D printer progresses in the buildup. And a quick solution is to create an enclosure for your machine so as to create a chamber with uniform temperature. However, this is not always feasible. Thankfully for us, here in the Prusa Slicer, there is an option that is called a draft shield, and that exactly does what it says. It's going to build up a wall as the print progresses upward, and this is going to contain and protect this little bit of hair in order to maintain the temperature a little bit more uniform. And this is going to reduce a bit the stresses and the warping overly. So to do that, here you go over to the print settings. Under skirt and brim, you see there is here this option. It's called the drafts shield. Now if you want, you can click through. This will take you over to Prusa website where there is some explanation there, but simply click on enabled and make sure to have a single loop here. Now back to the plater, slice now, and as you can see, this is going to build up a wall as the print progresses and try to contain this small volume of hair inside here, and also try to avoid exactly shielding it from any draft, slight movement of hair that would basically remove this volume of hair. And also you can see here on the breakdown under skirt and brim, which includes everything, also the actual skirt and brim, that you got an 11 minutes more, or 1.72 meters of printing. Now this adds up a little bit of material and time, but the overall result is much better, as you get a part that, if it's functional or if it needs to be mated or assembled with other components, is going to be successful. And as you can see from the result that I printed, there is no visible warping and the part function as expected. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you at the next trick.